that doggone switch, man? Oh, there you go. It's like still bright and early. I need to start getting ready to leave. And she is still in one piece. Hey everybody, Zoom 360 here on the go, and just woke up. We're about to get ready to start heading to Bowling Green because I'm not trying to get there at night, so. Just like that, we are all packed. 7:20, we still got time. It's much earlier than we started yesterday. So today we are going straight to Bowling Green. So it should be a good drive. This is a real nice place for a good price. I really like this hotel. For the price, it's really, really not bad at all. Yeah, they're doing renovations. So there's an IHOP around here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and eat before I head out. Yep. There's the local IHOP. Let's go eat. It's clean. It is a clean spot. I like it. All right, good food. Yeah, it's been a while since I ate at IHOP, and I remembered one thing from the last time is that when you eat there, you just feel like, bloated. So it's just right now I feel so bloated and like stuffed. Oh gosh. We are all checked out. Now I gotta get some fuel. I gotta do one more thing. Just at Fort Riley, not too far from here. Then we're back on the road. Woo! So I had to make a quick stop over there. Had to make a few financial transactions in there. So now let's get back to the trip. 312,331. The C7 Corvette. Oh God, speed bump. These things must be cheap now, since the C8 is out now. These things must be cheap. You know, driving through Kansas is great. Great country, but there's one thing I don't like, is that stupid wind. Every time I drive through here, it's windy, and the wind is, you see how the grass is like, you know, moving this way? See all of that? The wind is so strong that it's pushing the car left. It's annoying. It's just annoying. Gotta slow down, 65 miles an hour. I'm gonna be careful with this. This looks like it's freshly painted, and I drove on some of that stuff back there, and I got paint all over my car. So I'm gonna make sure I don't drive on it this time. And we're in Topeka. Gosh, tolls, boo, boo. Oh, jeez, I hate tolls. Oh well, let's do it. Toll Plaza. Ah, douche. It's ridiculous how windy it is. Yeah. Get my. Thank you for my toll ticket. Ridiculous. Woo! This is a kick-ass road, Kansas. You are in rare form. Very nice. The infamous toll. There's an attendant. At least there's a human being. Hello. Oh, sorry.
You're alright.
I have the 50.
Sure. Do you need a receipt?
Sure.
Okay. 4 and 5. 5 makes you 10.
Alrighty.
You have a good day.
Alrighty, same to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not sure why I would need the receipt, but thank you to the city of Kansas for taking some of my money for the honor of driving on your freshly paved road. You You are welcome, Kansas City. Would you like more of my dollars in $5? Yeah. Why is it that those 18-wheelers love to pass going uphill? I don't understand. They would hold up a whole line of traffic. It's insane. So we're about, I think I'm about 5 hours away, so I should be in Bowling Green today at about like somewhere around the early hours of the evening, like probably 7 or 8 p.m. So I'm just gonna take a short break just to drink some cocoa water, and yeah. Guy's a gangster. This dude's in the white SUV. This guy's a gangster, man. Doing 65 and a 70. Held up the whole line. It's a girl. Yeah, so everybody wants to be in the left lane, but no one wants to go fast. Amazing. But everybody loves the left lane. It's so cozy. But but no one wants to go fast. Why is that? Oh, could it be the dreaded traffic jam? I was waiting on that. I have to put my four-ways on because some people are just stupid. That dude, man. This dude right there in that black car right there is not the brightest. Look, people, just because you activate your signal doesn't mean that you can just merge over. I'm just saying, okay? Use your signal, and then you have to look to see that if you are being waved in or if you're being led in. St. Louis, how I've forgotten how non-friendly you are to lowered cars with lip kits and wings and stuff like that. The potholes, man, and speed bumps in the middle of the highway. What is going on? I think I've ruined the ground effects already. Jeez Louise, St. Louis, it's every time. See, that's what I get for saying, haha, bye St. Louis with your stupid streets. Just when I think that traffic starts to clear up, bam! That's what you get. Talking all that mess. Continue de parler de ces conneries, hein? That's what you get, Nelson. Done it, man. That's what you get, Zoom 360 on the go. Get into this traffic and shut up. Oh God. No. Yeah, this road brings back memories. I used to take this road to go to the Superman Festival. 64 East, is it? Yep. Man, this brings back memories. Yeah, we are not so far away. I think we are 3 hours away. Yep. See, what I notice with road trips is that when you're going, it seems like it's taking forever. But when you're coming back from it, you just get there like that. You get back home very quickly. Seriously, dude? Seriously, dude? The whole road just passed you on the right, and you're still not gonna move over. I'm gonna wait to see if you're gonna change your mind. Okay, fine. Unbelievable, bruh. The left lane is the passing lane, people. This is crazy. Okay, guys, yeah, so this is just additional footage. I'm not sure if this is gonna make it to the vlog. This is the very same gas station that I stopped by about 2 years ago when I was going to Import Alliance. It's the same place. I just decided just to take this exit to fuel up, and it just so happens it's the same gas station I stopped by. So it is insane. It just so happens to be the same gas station that I stopped by before. This is the same place. That is insane. Oh well.